I'm Chandler Kelly and I teach Easy Makeup, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get your own $7 do-it-yourself lash extensions. I'm going to be using my favorite style of lashes. These are the French Lace 12mm from Lilac Street. First thing I do is take the black Pro Glue and just apply it like regular mascara. I do scrape off the excess because you don't want this to be too thick. Now the key to applying these is to make sure the glue is super tacky. I just put this on my lashes for about 10 to 15 seconds. You can start from the inner corner to the outer corner or the outer corner to the inner corner. I prefer to start with the inner corner. So I'm just gonna take the lash applicator and you want to very gently remove the lash from the tray. I've got the lash ready to go, and you wanna go right underneath your lash line, but not too close so that they're really comfortable. And you're gonna grab the lash fan again and again for 10 to 15 seconds to really set this. To finish, I just take the lash applicator and I go in and just press and fuse my natural lash to the lash. And this is key for getting them to stay. So here is the finished product. And if you care for these correctly, they can last anywhere from 5 to 10 days. Be sure to follow for more easy makeup tips and tutorials.